Goeiemiddag, good day. I want to show you a video. Wil julle graag 'n video wys? En ek wil hê julle moet besef, dit is die realiteit wat vir ons as Suid-Afrikaners voorlê. Maak nie saak waar in die wêreld jy gaan wees nie, dis die realiteit wat vir ons gaan voorlê. Are you ready to get rid of your materialistic things in life? Because this is what the system will be requiring of you if you do not follow by what the rules and regulations are to become of. If you cannot deny your faith in Jesus, you will end up like most of these people do, because the beast system will not allow a Christian to live out their life in full glory of God. And this is coming. This is part of the Antichrist system that is coming. Are you ready? Is jy gereed om vir Jesus? Is jy gereed om vir Jesus so te lewe? Is jy gereed om net met jou Bybel, net aan jou Bybel vas te klou en te glo dat God jou sal voorsien van voedsel, sonder om te rely op ander mense, net op God alleen? Want dit kom. Kom ek speel vir julle hierdie video.
They didn't go broke, they got deleted. In China, tens of thousands of young people are suddenly homeless, not because of money, but because the system erased them.
Imagine a society where everything you do, everything you say, and everything you buy is controlled and evaluated by the authorities. This is what the Chinese Communist Party calls social credit.
By using the mechanism of social credit, we'll be able to establish a blacklist of people and create a system of punishment that will be based on a scientific theory. These punishments will serve as a whip to rebuild moral values. Our society needs it.
The country's social credit system decides who's trustworthy. But if you're blacklisted, it's game over. Your WeChat Pay stops working, you can't receive your salary, can't buy food, can't even book a train ticket. It's like being alive, but digitally. Many are now sleeping in the streets, cut off from everything. Jobs, housing, even communication. All because one app, one algorithm decided they don't belong.
It's not science fiction. In China, it's a reality. Then there's the public shaming. Photo galleries of blacklisted citizens. There's even an app that shows who around you is in debt.
They're not criminals. They didn't steal, cheat, or harm anyone. They just fell too low on a score and vanished from the digital world. Critics say it's a glimpse into the future, where technology doesn't just track your life, it controls it. So ask yourself, if your entire life depended on your digital reputation, how long before you get deleted? They didn't go broke, they got deleted.
Mense, hier lê swaar tye vir ons voor, hoor? En as jou lewe nie met die Here reg is nie, gaan jy dit nie maak nie. Jy gaan dit nie maak nie. Dit kan ek jou nou beloof. Baie dankie dat julle gekyk het. Geseënde dag en 'n baie lekker naweek vir julle. En gaan kerk toe Sondag. Okay.
Was just put in prison for owning a Bible.